Hello Year 7, welcome to this week's intro video. No, I've not started out with me dancing because if I did that every time, it wouldn't be exciting when it actually happened because it would be normal. So this time I'm just starting off by showing you what I think is actually quite a beautiful image. You can see our task completion rate for the first 3 weeks. I did a bit of chasing around for a few people last week and almost everyone has caught fully up, and I'm just really pleased with us. Look at this. Look at this incredible amount of work that we did in the first 3 weeks. I'm only talking about the first 3 weeks right now because week number 4, which was the one that's just happened, I'm recording this on the Friday of that week, so there's some work that still needs to be handed in. So I'll show you that next week. But anyway, yeah, look at that. What a lovely sight. Anyway, let's go to some specifics. I want to talk first of all about the new system for work submission. I have found it a much cleaner system. It's been easier for me to track things. All I need to remind you to do is to make sure you read Show My Homework carefully. Whatever it says on Show My Homework, that is what you need to do. So when you send your test questions, make sure you have the title, Year 7 test questions. When you send your video notes on Friday, make sure you have the title, Year 7 video notes. Make sure you're uploading them using the photo upload icon, not the paperclip, because then it makes my life much easier. So just a few specific things, make sure you're doing those, but the majority of you are, so well done. Some highlights. I was meant to move on then. Some highlights. So first of all, these are from the test questions last week. On the left, we have this is Scar's work. So you can see they've done a really good job with their working out. It's so clear to me exactly that Scar knows what's going on here. It doesn't matter that the answer is correct, which it happens to be, but it's so obvious that they understand what's going on. And the bottom question, again, just writing ×2 on the numerator and denominator, that shows me that they understand exactly what's happening. Because some of you just wrote your answers, and I have no idea whether or not you understand. But I can see Scar understood very clearly. The second one is Zach. Now, Zach actually got this wrong. But can you spot the mistake in it? In question 1. So he starts off by writing it perfectly as 0.8 over 240. He times them both by 10 correctly, and he gets 8 correctly, but he's forgotten to times 240 by 10. But his working is so clear and so clean that I know exactly where he's gone wrong, and I can see whether or not he actually understands the concept, and I can see that he does. Again, the working at the bottom is very clear, so I fully understand that Zach knows what's going on. So these are the highlights for the test questions last week. Well done, you too. A few highlights from last week's video notes. Over here, we've got Thomas. I really like Thomas's purple pen notes here because a lot of you just answered the questions from the video, whereas Thomas, he's written in purple pen, the chance, do it to the bottom, do it to the top. And over here, he's written down a nice explanation of something that I said on the video, which I didn't necessarily expect everyone to write down. He said you can only divide until you reach 1. A simplified fraction is a fraction which cannot be written with smaller numbers because there are no other numbers that go into the numerator and denominator other than 1. So I was really impressed by that detail in his note taking. Well done, Thomas. Over here again, we've got Zach's notes from his video. What I really liked is just the fact that Zach's got loads of questions wrong, but he's been honest about it. It makes me realise that Zach is being honest in his learning, and it makes me believe that all the work that he's doing is worthwhile. So these are my highlights for the week. Make sure that you act on my feedback when I send it back to you. So if I tell you to watch some videos, then make sure you do. And then show me your purple pen notes in a new photo. So thanks for watching and have a good week. Bye.